Let me show you how to change summer into winter in Photoshop. The first step is to brighten the colors that will become the snow in the scene. Start by clicking on the new adjustment layer icon and choose black and white. This adjustment layer will desaturate the image, but we instead want to control the brightness of these colors. Instead of desaturating them, you can bring back the colors by going into the blending mode drop down and selecting luminosity. Now these sliders in the properties panel will control the brightness of the corresponding colors. Set the red slider to about -10 to darken the cabin. Then brighten the foliage in this image by setting the yellow slider to about 150 and the green slider to about 110. Next, you will need to desaturate both the yellows and greens without desaturating anything else. Go back into the new adjustment layer icon and choose hue and saturation by default. This adjustment layer affects all the colors in the image, but from the masters drop down, you can select specific colors to target. Select yellows and set the saturation to about -95. Then drag the lightness slider to about 95. These adjustments will desaturate and brightness the foliage, making it look like forest or light snow. To enhance the snow effect of the grass and trees, go back into the color drop down menu and choose greens. Then bring the saturation down to about 95 and the lightness to about 95. The cabin is looking a bit dark and desaturated. Open the colors menu and choose reds. Then drag the saturation slider to about 50 to saturate the cabin and set the lightness to about 15 to brightness it up a bit. Now select the subject layer and drag and drop the second photo that you want to create over the canvas. Alignments the photo middle and blending mode to screen. You can see the before and the after.